Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting parts and making the first cuts. This saves time and prevents errors later. Strip about 2 inches of the outer jacket to expose all 15 conductors and the shield. Make tidy, even strands so pairs don't tangle. Separate the drain wire and fold the shield back into the braid. This preserves grounding. Once done, tin exposed ends lightly if soldering or prepare them for crimping. Make sure your multimeter and connector pins are labeled for the wiring map you'll follow next. Now you wire and secure each termination, focusing on signal integrity. Refer to the VGA pinout and attach pins 1 through 15 in exact order. Red, green, blue, and the horizontal/vertical sync lines must stay separate. Twisted or shielded routing reduces crosstalk. Soldering yields strongest joints, but crimping is acceptable if your pins match the wire gauge. Once every pin is fastened, slide the shell on, tighten screws for strain relief, and reflow heat shrink. Before closing, use a multimeter to verify continuity and correct pin mapping. Finish assembly and perform methodical testing so you catch faults early. Close the 15-pin shell, ensure the braided shield contacts the ground lug, and tighten screws to provide proper strain relief. Plug into a monitor at a conservative resolution and check that red, green, blue, and sync appear correctly. Look for color bleeding or missing channels. If something fails, reopen and inspect for cold solder joints, swapped pins, or damaged wires. Use the multimeter for continuity and short checks. One key troubleshooting tip: a missing color usually means a loose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.